Thank you to Tai Jimin for the beautiful dance and presentation. It made me feel at peace and encouraged me to make an effort to turn the world around with my own pure and good energy. I believe with our unity, we can create a positive effect beyond our imagination. Here are some more beautiful messages from around the world. Let's take a look.
International Tolerance Day 2021. I am Sundarapriya MP from India, International Director of Operations, TBC International Environment. In that scene of intolerance, our government and political administration makes standard guidelines to all government officers and hospitality professionals need to serve with full of tolerance that society reflects the same as to public. One official authority can meet with intolerance. It is superiority from the weaker side of people dump more and more. They are all human beings. In that sense, we can measure a self-esteem and a person with respect in each other background in society. The same way, service professionals also maintain the discipline way of approach should monitor by their daily logbook, because any of those affected by treating intolerance, they have to make the corrections with respect tolerance to people. In an early age, kids are unaware of this tolerance, made healthy relationships to the society we respect. But we educate them in early age with respect on others. They have followed it. Similarly, they have good humanity and service generic personality. Someone affected or some of animals like dog met in some accidents in roads or somewhere. We say its life is the priority unless it's nasty. It has not an important one that should be known about our kids, because some of tiny intolerance made a major loss of one family. This condition we save humanity to support tolerance. That's the way we keep on guide our kids for humanity first, other is the next. So they follow that tolerance in younger age. Someone affected by this intolerance, we create an immediate support from the society to the needy person. So we encourage local governance for all allied service through self-volunteers and non-government organizations to the required area to monitor daily, weekly and monthly basis. In that cases, it will reduce in soon, more or less, people awareness program created by private self-development organization. We support their self-services to our society seems a good result of tolerance. Also, we recognized by the most tolerant people in that society. They are the energy boosters for others to make the tolerance path to follow. Everyone in the earth is equal. All opportunities around is same. Someone used it as unique that are creating more problem in society. So everyone opportunity is protected by every individual. So we keep on working for our humanity in every single aspect. Once we started, it will give more responsibility of caring and motherhood with humanity. So everyone's as part of their own responsibility and maintain tolerance everywhere. In that cases, we save one's life or save the right is equal opportunities. So always stay tolerance, support individual tolerance, feed the poor on what you have, save an abnormal person around on your street. If I'm a person in my area, I support the poor as I need in my hand to them, and serve the street dogs and pets hunger to feed. At least I have collected from the group of people to save the pets in our region. In government hospitals, lots of public needs the help for their inconvenience. We are gradually joined together to support their needs in regular basis. It has addressed in public media to promote the awareness. Our neighbors also follow the path of tolerance. This International Tolerance Day 2021, we plan the vision of right to tolerance of everyone's have to get feel free from the society and give it to others in without any sultry. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity to given by our beloved founder, CEO of TBC International Environment, AMB Dr. B. M. Wise, and TBC International Environment family. Thank you all. Sundarapriya MP.